Being a baby is hard work. Having to wear a hat that is constantly slipping and sliding off one's head just makes those first months of life so frustrating. What if there was a product that eliminated this frustration? There is! Love in a Snap has the perfect solution to this problem. Our patent-pending baby hat with magnetic strap allows the security of knowing that your hat will stay in place and not slide off at the most unexpected times. There is no other hat available that provides this level of comfort and security. Your parents will also love this hat because they won't have to buy replacement hats whenever you lose one. And that's just one more thing to make you happy. Happy babies, happy parents, happy life.
Love in a Snap. Never lose your love again.